right, welcome for circle time. Let's go ahead and get started. We start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we will reach our dreams. All right, let's look at the month. It is April. We are coming to the end of April. And today is not the 28th, but it is the 29th day. So let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week today is.
I know. Tomorrow's Friday.
Let's sing it together. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Here we go.
It's Sunday and there's Monday. It's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And there's Saturday.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Your turn.
Thursday and there's Monday. It's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And there's Saturday.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
And today is Thursday, April 29th, 2021. So let's take a look. Our pattern is two of everything. Two flowers and then two clouds. So let's start right here on the 11th and say it together. You ready? Flower, flower, cloud, cloud. Flower, flower, cloud, cloud. Flower, flower, cloud, cloud. Flower, flower, cloud, cloud. Flower. So you get a flower down here. So, what's going to go here? Flower. I wrote it down, but I don't know where to put it. There it is. So what's going to be today? Rain cloud, because it's two of everything. We already had two flowers. My smart friends.
Miss, I know you're silly.
No, I'm not silly. You're smart.
You're
All right. Let's take a look. We said that today's weather was going to be partly sunny, and that was a very good prediction. Did anybody know it was raining this morning?
Just a little bit.
A little bit this morning, but we can go outside for recess.
Yay! We're all our friends.
What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our Friday?
Sunny.
Sunny weather? That sounds good to me.
No, I know.
Well, we already made our predictions. Maybe you can do tomorrow's. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet together. Are we ready? Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q,
R, S,
T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, we're counting to 20. Wiggle your fingers. Shake them like you just don't care. Touch your head. Touch your nose. Very nice at home.
Good job.
And hands on our lap. We're counting to 20. Here we go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
backwards from 10. Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast!
All right, looking at some shapes, my friends here, right in the back with your yellow shoes on. What shape is right here that's purple? Octagon, nice job right here with your cowboy boots on. What shape is gray? Oval, awesome. Right back here on the blue square with your really cool mask. Is that Incredibles? Mm-hmm. What shape is yellow? Star, excellent. My friends at home. All right, right here on your green square, what color are the elephants? Good. Right here on your red square, what color is my Oreo? Not brown. My chocolate's brown, but my Oreo is? Yep. Black. Wonderful. All right, let's look at some numbers. Going to start right in the back. Mrs. Hill's going to point to one. Yep. What number is that? My friends at home can tell mommies or daddies at home or grandmas what number we're pointing at. What number is that? You.
I don't know.
3. What number is it? What number? 3. All right. Cowboy boots. What number is this? Say it louder. 16. Uh-huh. Orange square. What number is this? Uh-huh. Right here, red square. What number is this? 9. Not 9. 10. Excellent. All right, ready? Green square. What number is this? Right here to share. Okay. Dog. Penny. What is it? Penny. Eyes on board, friends. What is this? Penny. And remember, it has a copper or brown color to it. That way we know. The rest of them all are silver. This is a nickel. How many pennies can I have to make a nickel? 5. 5 pennies because a nickel is worth 5 cents. This is a dime. What is it? Dime is worth 10 cents. So I can have 10 pennies or I can have 2 nickels. What is this one? The big one if we want to go and buy a gumball or a soda or drink. It is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So we can have 25 pennies or 5 nickels or 2 dimes and 1 nickel all equal what 1 quarter is, which is 25 cents. All right, let's take a look at the letters we've already worked on. We've worked on the letters L, Q, F, G, E, S, H, J, T, D, I, P, U, B, C, R, N, O. This week we're working on the letter K. And K says not cat. For kangaroo. Or a kite. Exactly. All right, we're going to get our pieces out so we can make the letter K. Make the letter K, and then you're going to make it with me. So me first. My turn first. Ooh, what is going on? There we go. I'm going to start off under Mr. Smiling Face with my big line. Then I'm going to grab my little line. I'm going to make it into a slide, and I'm going to put it at the top. Then I'm going to grab another little line, and I'm going to put it at the bottom. So my turn, hands and lap. Listening ears on. Nothing should be on your mat. Nothing should be on your mat. If you have something on your mat, pick it up. We're using our listening ears. Miss Missing was first. I was first. Okay, here I go. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump over. Little slide in. Little slide out. Your turn. Let's grab our big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face.
Don't cover it up.
That's right. Waiting for all my friends to get their big line.
Big line.
This finger.
Our friend at home, do you have the big line?
Cover paper on that thing.
Okay, scoot back onto your square foot, bud. Let's grab our little line and make it into a slide and put it at the top.
Little slide in at the top.
And the other one.
Just a little slide in.
The big one. Take the big one out.
All right, let's grab our little slide at the bottom.
I did it.
All right, let's get our fingers at the
Top.
top.
Big one now.
Hold on, friend. We gotta wait for all of our friends to get all their pieces right.
Friend at home, if you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Awesome job.
Fingers at the top, and we say,
Big line down.
frog jump over, little slide in, little slide out. One more time. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down, frog jump over, little slide in, little slide out. Wonderful. What letter did we make? K. And K says